Good morning, student. Today let's learn about the median of the group data. Median means the measure of central tendency which gives the value of middlemost observation of the given data. So here this is the first question in which you have to find the mean, mode, median of the given group, continuous group data. This is continuous data because here class is given. So continuous data. So we have to find the median, mode and mean. Okay. This is the first question of the exercise 14.3. Let's see here. If there is given the continuous group data, then there is the formula for finding a median. First we will find the median equal to L plus this will be n by 2 minus Cf upon f into h. This is the formula for median of the continuous group data. And if there is the discrete data, means if the this is not given, classes is not given, directly xi is given, so you can find easily. What you have to do there, you have to take the capital N. This is called capital N. Sum of frequency will be capital N. We have to divide by 2 and we will see the cumulative frequency. This is called cumulative frequency. In the cumulative frequency, what you have to do, we have to add the corresponding frequency. Suppose it is 4, so we write here 4. Then it is 4 plus 5. It shows that this is less than 85. This will be less than 85. The monthly consumption in units is given 65 to 85. So it will be units less than 85. It will be 4. Less than 105. It will be this plus this. Less than 105 means the units, this one also will come and this one also will come. Means 4 plus 5 it will be, this will be 9. 4 plus 5 it will be 9. Then again less than 125 it will be what? 4 plus 5 plus 13 it will be this will be 22. Like that it will be, it is what? 42. Then it will be 42 plus 14 it is 56. Then this will be what? 56 plus 64. Then 64 plus 4 68. Means this last number you will get equal to capital N. Capital N is the summation of frequency. So if suppose there is not given classes, so that is called discrete data. So directly you have to see the n by 2. We have to find n by 2. Okay, it will be 68 upon 2, means it will be how much? 34. Okay, 34 you have to see in which cumulative frequency that we have to find out the median class. How will find median class? If you will see here where this 34 will come in the cumulative frequency. This is up to 22. This is the sum of up to 42, means 34 will also come in this. So this is called the median class. This will be middle class or median class, we can say. Okay, this will be median. For continuous data also we have to find the median class. Okay, that will be median class, and the whatever data we will get of xi of the median class, that will be median of the discrete data. But here this is given the continuous data, so this the same process we will apply here also for up to finding the median class. This is the median class. Okay, then lower limit, for that we have to apply, if there is the continuous data, so we have to apply this formula. So here lower limit of the median class will be L. So L will be how much? It will be 125. Then n by 2 we will get this. So n by 2 we will write here 34. Then CF we will take the previous cumulative frequency of the median class. So this is median class. So cumulative frequency you have to take of previous one. Means CF we will take, always we will take previous one, which will be 22. Okay. Now F means the corresponding frequency of the median class. So this will be F. This is F 20, and H is the class width. So class width will be what? 20. So H will be 20. So you can substitute here median equal to L will be 125 plus this is 34 minus CF is 22 upon F is 20 into H is 20. So you will get here 125 plus this difference will be 1 and this 3 minus 1, sorry, 4 minus 2 it will be 2 and 3 minus 2 it will be 1. 12 we will get upon 20 into 20. So 20 will be cancelled, which means 125 plus 12 it will be 20 by 27 37, 137. This will be median of the given data. Okay. So by this way you can find the median of the continuous data, and discrete data directly you will see the xi value of the, means there will be xi only instead of this class, there will be xi. So you have to see the xi value of the median class. Okay, that will be median directly. There is no need to apply the formula. Okay, now let's find the mean and mode also for this data. So median we got 137. Now for mean, so for mean we made the this was given. Now xi we find xi by taking average. Then I am applying here assume mean method. So for that we have to select the middle observation. Which one is the middle one? Because it is odd numbers, obviously we will get exactly middle. Fourth term will be middle one. So this will be A. So here we will find the deviation xi minus A. So you will get this. Okay. 135 minus 75 minus 60, then difference is 20. So it will be minus 40 minus 20 0 20 40 60. Okay, then we will multiply this fi into di we have to find. So 6 4s are 24, this is negative, 6 4s are 24, 240 we will get here, 5 4s are 20, here 200 we will get, 13 2s are 26, here 260 will get. Okay, and this will be 0. And this will be 14 2s are 28, 280 will get, positive 280. Then 8 4s are 32, 3 2 0 will get. Then 4 6 are 24, 240 will get. Okay. Now we have to add this negative term, this we have to add positive term. So sum we will get here 0. This 4 plus 6 10 0 carry over 1. This will be 7. Means minus 700. We got here minus 700. Okay, 6 plus 4 10 700 minus 700. Here we will get 0. This 8 plus 4 12 14 4 carry over 1. Okay, this will be 3 plus 3 6 8 840 we got. Means difference will be positive. How much? 140. So this will be 140. Now we have to apply here mean. So first we have to find the d bar. D bar equal to summation of fi into di upon summation of fi, or capital N also we can write. So this will be 140 upon this is 68. This we will get. Okay. So you will divide this. That will be in the decimal. Then we have to apply here x bar. X bar equal to what? X bar equal to this a plus this d bar, which means a will be 135 plus 140 upon 68. So decimal number, so we will divide 140 by 137, so we will get 2.05. Okay, here 68 to the 136, then 4 we will get that 40, the decimal we will substitute put here. Then 40 will be less than 68, so we will take one more 0, so we will put here 0. Then 5, so you will get 340. So which means we will get here 135 plus 2.05. So it will be 137.05. This is the x bar. This will be x bar mean. So mean we got here. Mean we got 137.05. It is near about same. Okay. Now next say mode. For mode, we will see the highest frequency. Which is the highest frequency here? 20. So this will be model class. This will be model class. Okay. Now for that we will apply here formula mod equal to, there is the L plus, this is F1 minus F0 upon F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F1. Okay, into H. This is the formula. Okay, so for that lower limit, L will be lower limit. So how much is given lower limit of the model class? 125. This is 125. So 125 is the lower limit. Then F1 is how much is given? Frequency. Frequency of the corresponding model class. So it will be 20. This will be 20. Then F0 means what? F0 means the frequency of the class preceding to the model class. So it will be what? 13. Previous class. So it will be 13. This will be 13. And F1 will be the frequency of the class succeeding of the model class. So next class means it will be F2. It is how much? 14. Okay. And H is the class size. So class size is 20. This is okay. So we will apply here this mod equal to L is 125 plus this F1 is given 20 minus F0 is 13 upon 2 into 20 minus F0 is 13 minus F2 is 14 into H. H is how much you got? 20. So you will get here mod equal to 125 plus this is 7. This will be 7 upon this will be 14 minus this 4 plus 3 7 27 into 20. So 125 plus this will be, I think 7 2s are 140 upon this will be 10 minus 7 3 4 will become 3 minus 13. So you will divide the 140 by 13. So 125 plus 13 ones are 13. 13 remainder will be 1 0 10. 13 zeros are, because 10 is less than 13, so zeros are. Then remainder will be 10 only. Then we will take 0, so decimal. So 13 sevens are 91. So 91 sevens are will write here 91. It will be what? 9. This is 9 0. Then again we will get, so near about this will be very close to 7 because you will get 6 point something. So that will be bigger than 5. So you will take in the round figures 10.77. So 125 plus 10, it will be 135.77. So this will be mod, which means median we got here. Median we will get 137. Median will represent the middle class, middle of the observation. Okay, and mean will be average. Mean will show the mean will indicate the 137.05 we got. That will be average observation. Okay, and this mode means most repeated. Okay, so this we got here mode equal to, that is 135.77. So these all are the measure of central tendency. So it is near about equal. Okay,